Hi, here's the proof I promised for you, the Canton roofer. So, the goal of all of this is to get you a steady stream of eager customers every month. So, what's the value of a single customer in thousands of dollars? An exact sum, an exact number that you can write down now. What's the value of a single customer? And then, where are you going to find the leads or the prospects where all these customers are? What's the best place for you to find them where they're ready to buy, they're eager to find you and negotiate a contract and buy? Well, let's be for a second a homeowner with a leaky roof. If you were a homeowner with a leaky roof, where would you go to find a roofer? Well, I would probably go first to my neighbors, call up some friends, and then I'd get a few names, and then what would I do? I would go online, because that's what people do today for everything. They go online. They go to Google, and what are they going to do? They're going to type out something. What would you type out? I would type out roofer Canton, and then I'd type that in, and I'd see that there are a lot of Cantons in the United States. So I do roofer Canton MA. Here's the page I would get. Now, are you on that page? Can you see your business high or dominating that page? What's the chance that a homeowner would click on you on that page? First, the question is, are people even looking on this page? I mean, why even bother with this investigation if we don't even know if people are there? Well, look on the side of the page, this column of ads. This is all paid ads. There are people here paying every day to advertise there because they're getting a return. This is not like print ads where things are put out every month. This is every day a person checks the statistics and sees, are my ads delivering me leads? And if they're not, I'll cancel the ad. So you can see here there are ads. Even if there's one ad, you know people are paying money and people, because they're getting results, and that's a sign that this page is going to deliver you leads if you can get clicks. People are looking here. There's a flow of people who are in need. They're looking for a roofer, and if you can get the clicks, you'll get the job. Let's go back to your page. So this is a valuable page, and where are you on it? Well, how can you make this page send you eager customers? The way you can is to make sure they click on you. How do you do that? Let me show you. I began an experiment for 24 hours. So on Thursday, I showed you the page. I began dominating the page. And now we see after 24 hours what I can do for you. I got the top 2 spots here. Now, what are those 2 spots worth? Statistics have shown that people nowadays don't trust paid ads. They go straight to this area on the left, which has all of the normal search entries, because they think Google has collected these entries because they have some sort of merit. They're more interesting, because that's Google's job, is to bring you the most relevant information in their search engine. So research has shown that place number 1 gets 41% of the clicks. Place number 2 gets 11% of the clicks. So the top 2 places that I now have grabbed are going to deliver me 55% of the clicks. Now, is that valuable for you? Let me ask you another thing. Don't you see a lot of video online? I can tell you that what gets people's eyeballs nowadays is video. And research has shown that last month Americans watched 1 billion, over 1 billion videos online. So if you want to get their eyeballs, appear in video. And let's go to video. If I click on Google Video for roofer Canton MA, this is how I show up today on Friday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. The top 3 and then another 2. And if you go to page 2, you'll find I have more. And then if I go to YouTube, I get the top 3 places for roofer Canton MA. So now, here's the proof. Number 1, that people are looking in Google and clicking because we have the paid ads. And 2, you can dominate Google. If I did it in 24 hours, you can do it. Now here's an example of, you can see what I do for more than 24 hours in an effort to dominate even more completely. So this is a page for Summerlin Plumber. Summerlin is a suburb of Las Vegas where I have a partner, and we put this out. So Summerlin Plumber, and you can see on the page what I have dominated here. All the yellow arrows are mine. So you can see I have 4 places, including the top place, and 2 thumbnails for videos. Those are even more dominant and more attractive to clicks than being in first place. So I have 2 of them. Now, let's go on. Here is Summerlin Plumber in Google Videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, including the top. Then we go on to YouTube. I get the top 5. But that's not enough. We want to cover all the bases. It's not enough just to get one page. So we go after another page. Here's Summerlin NV for Nevada Plumber. Summerlin NV Plumber. And here is Summerlin NV Plumbing, because people might type that in. And then here's Summerlin Plumbing. Just plain Summerlin Plumbing. Then here's Summerlin Plumbing Repair. And then here's Summerlin NV Plumbing Repair. So you get my point. When you want to dominate and you want to pull in the clicks and get your customers, so you don't go after just one page. I know to research and find exactly the pages where people are looking and where there's less competition. And in that sweet spot, you will get the best chance of clicks. And those are the hungry people who want you. So, what's the value of a single customer? And what's the value of a single lead that you can get? If you could get leads, a steady flow of leads every month, wouldn't that deliver a steady flow of customers every month? Now, in addition to this form of marketing, I can help you in word-of-mouth marketing, which activates your existing clients, which are actually the easiest ones to sell to, and an untapped resource to get you referrals. What if every customer you have would bring you, over the period of a year, 1 new customer? Well, if you want to double your customer base, then that's the way to do it. If all this is enough proof for you that you can actually dominate Google and bring yourself a steady stream of eager customers every month, call Nitzan Gable at this number.